Jason Knight, and I'm the construction manager for BD Property Repairs. My role is basically to look after the BD Property Repairs team. So we're a team of 4 supervisors who look after primarily the insurance industry. So we deal with property repairs to hail damaged properties, impact from trees and things like that. So that's 90% of the work is looking after the team, making sure everything's running well, looking after finances, the team on site, and just generally day-to-day running. Along with that, the other side of it is to produce growth within the team. So we're always looking to expand. This year we expanded into Canberra, so we oversaw that, and just general building, onboarding new clients and just keeping up client relations as well. Probably the amount of people I get to meet. So we've got a really good team in the office, that's really good. Really good site team, so we're out meeting the guys, being really social with them, and also homeowners as well. So we can be running up to 100, 150 jobs at any one time. So you're dealing with a lot of people, you're getting out there, you're meeting people. At the end of the day, we're there to help them out. So that's a really satisfying part of the job. What I've just mentioned was how we not only protect the homeowners from the risk of COVID and stuff at the minute, but that's also how we protect our own team. Obviously, if any of our team go downhill, we don't earn any money. So we've got to look after everybody from start to finish. Other than that, we've got quite rigorous health and safety procedures in place with our swims and stuff like that. We've been working very closely with the Compliance Council over the last month, who've came in and helped us update everything. And we've been working with a software provider who's Prime Eco. They're absolutely brilliant in what they do, and we've now digitized all of our swims. So what's exciting is the possibilities. So obviously the options for growth within the industry are massive, and the biggest thing is how good our team is at the minute as well. So what we're doing really well, and then it's just the excitement for growth and moving forward and being over here and enjoying the role. Okay, just lastly, thanks for listening. Hope you've picked up a few things about the role and the company. See you soon.